Hello everyone, this is Gabriela Serrano with HomeSmart, and I am doing an open house here in Cathedral City. I'm at 688110 Los Gatos Road. So I'm going to show you from the exterior, from the interior into the back. Okay, so I'll show you the entrance. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property with the pool, and this is the car garage. It's a new AC, new water heater. It's a nice courtyard as you first walk in. Okay, we're about to enter. So immediately to my left, you have either a dining area or a living space, whichever you prefer. High ceilings. There's your fireplace. Then we come over to this side, which you can do either small dining table or sitting area. And here we have nice pavers, either for a dog. You can come out here and drink your coffee. You have green area, really nice. So we come here to the kitchen area, and this could be either your living room or dining room, whichever you prefer. And it has beautiful French doors. I'll show you the back in just a bit. So let's move on to the master bedroom. I'll show you the, might as well show you the washer and dryer, laundry area. So here we enter the master bedroom. It's double doors. Okay, you have a vanity there, dual. You have a walk-in closet. Okay, then we move on to the walk-in shower. Okay. And around the hallway, and then we have a nice guest restroom. Another walk-in shower. Okay, so let's move on to the second bedroom. So you have this second bedroom. Again, French doors. And your closet. So let's move on to the third bedroom. French doors again. And here we have a closet. So this wall here, it's part of the master bedroom, but it's a bare wall. You can actually remove it, or you can just leave it the way it is. So we do have a fireplace. This area, again, is part of the master bedroom next door, but it was included here to add more square footage or more closet room. If you notice, this is the little closet. It's right here. So this is a pretty neat feature to have. Okay, so now let's go to the back and show you the pool. So here you have the hot tub, the pool area. You have a nice pedestrian gate on the side. So here you can set up something neat that you'd like to do, small gathering here. And you have a bit of grass area. Look, check out that half umbrella. Pretty neat, isn't it? Pretty neat. Pretty nice. So you have your grass area, your pool area, and here if you have a dog, I'm pretty sure your dog would appreciate this little back area with the pavers. There we go. And we're back to the front of the house. So if you have any questions, you can always call me directly, 760-534-4117. Thank you.